Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul and thank you so much for all your love and all your support. And if you're a new viewer, then definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos. And if you're liking these videos and if you think this will help you, then you can hit the subscribe button to be a part of this big family. For the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp 7892652481 is the number. And for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel only for learning, then open your account, trading accounts in Zerodha or Upstock, Angel Broking or Alice Blue. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic. So in this particular video, we are going to see the 5 intraday secrets which you must know before doing trade trading. Number 1, day trading is the most stressful part-time or full-time, whichever you do. So it's the most stressful job, I would say. Yes, whenever you do a day trading, you can see the amount of pressure to your head, because to do day trading, you need to work your brain. Okay, so without working your brain, nobody can do anything in intraday trading. So once you start trading in intraday, I'm sure you can see a lot of stress in your mind. I can say that you can see an anger in you, or you get common headaches, or your mood will go off if you make some losses. The whole day will go bad. So you would have experienced any of these, or you would have experienced many other emotional issues when you do day trading, because the pressure is comparatively higher. In terms of swing trading or long-term trading, you see you'll be patiently waiting. You put a stock and you wait for the stock to go up. But in terms of intraday trading, you have only few minutes. You have taken margin, whether we will make losses or do we make profits. So based on these things, the stress is higher. So therefore, this is one of the most stressful work, I would say, part-time work or full-time work, which most of them will not tell that the stress factor of it. Yes, people say that we can make money in intraday trading, but it's one of the most stressful work. Point number 2 is the theory and the practical will not match. Yes, you can read a lot of books. You can read, when I say books, you can read all these theory books. You can read Google or any website where they're given a lot of theory about intraday trading or day trading. But in practicals, when you put on your hands and look into the charts, and when you take a position with the real money, what you learned in theory and what you see in practical is totally different. Okay, it's not that easy. Intraday is not that easy. You read a book, you read a technical, and everything is right, and it will not go that way. There are a lot of many other factors attached to intraday trading that we will discuss later part. But whatever you learn, the risk reward ratio numbers, or the stop loss, the target, the calculations, the theory, the concepts, the fundamentals, the technicals, everything will not go just the way how you read in theory. No matter you've done MBA in capital markets, or you learned to taken a lot of courses with a lot of definitions, you need to put your hands in the market. Unless once you start trading, that is when you will realize what theory you learned so many days will not exactly match what you do in intraday trading. So trading in intraday and then learning the theories will make you far better. Point number 3 is logics don't work always. Okay, so for example, you have a logic of some technical or some candlestick patterns, a breakout can happen. This particular logic you will be having, you will find it interesting. It may be working today for you, maybe tomorrow it may not work for you. Or maybe it's working for you this particular week, the logics work for you in intraday, but maybe the next week it may not work the same. Or maybe this month, or maybe this year it is working for you, maybe the next year it will not work for you. So that's how the logics fail in intraday. Every time you find a logic, it fades away. So always try to add more logics to the intraday. That will help you to sustain in the market. If you have a single logic and if you keep working on only on that, you can definitely see that the logics what you applied now, the fundamentals or the technicals, whatever you apply right now is not the same tomorrow. Point number 4 is intraday trading is sentiment driven market. The main reason, even you can see right now in the chart over here, the market is falling right now. Maybe there is something regarding the US election or something, so market is reacting towards it. So you see a Nifty almost 2.45% negative today. May not be a great bad news, or maybe some other geopolitical news is happening, or some reason it is falling. So even though your fundamentals, your technicals, everything is right, everything is going good, even there is a good news happening, still the market can fall. Or if everything bad is happening, and the market can go up in intraday. So intraday, it depends on sentiments of the people. So large number of people, if they feel it is something is going to be bad, the US election is going to have something bad impact on us, or some other reason is going to have bad impact on us, they may exit their position. So you see the market coming down, or they may short the positions. So the market is coming down. So there is various reasons depending on people's psychology. So there is a sentiment. So I feel it goes up, he feels it goes down, and large number of people decide the market direction. Even though your technicals, fundamentals, everything is right, you may go wrong because of sentiments. Understand the sentiments of the market at different situations, how market will react at good situations or bad situations, or is it good to avoid such new situation. So therefore, understand market is a sentiment driven, intraday market is a sentiment driven. So not only your logics and theories what you learned, even you need to understand the psychology on behavior of the intraday market. Point number 5 and the last point is, yes, the market has been driven by big players. When I have made a video regarding this, is market controlled by the operators or something? Do we really have an operator? So yes, see, for example, XYZ big company has a very big client, and he said big client to buy a stock A, and once the client buys that, now this the service provider should ensure the price of this particular stock or company has to go up. So he will take the help of his operators or his big traders out there. So will take a help, and they will buy in large in such a way that the stock will spike. Looking at the spikes, we retailers or small intraday traders will think, okay, the stock is spiking up, it is going up, we all will put a buy. Looking at this all buy, many people will enter into trades, a lot of buy quantities, and once the stock price goes up, the client will book his profit. The client is in profit, operator exits in the top, and finally we retailers get stuck when the stock falls down. So yes, that is a big players can control the market. I would say certain stocks have been controlled depending on their situations. It can be manipulated in different ways. There are a lot of cases we hear or something. I'm not pinpointing anybody, but I'm just telling generally you can see these type of things happening. A lot of sponsorship videos and a lot of videos goes on where people talk about certain stocks, and that stock gets a buy call from many analysts, and then it goes up, and we think it is going up, and we buy it, and finally that comes down. Whichever they guess that it will go up. All right, so maybe the clients are booking profit, but we retailers or small traders are getting trapped. So these are the 5 secrets which I shared with you. You may be knowing it, you may not know, or you would have never thought about this particular point. So keep these points in your mind, which everyone will not tell you guys. So this type of points will help you to understand intraday trading better. And there are a lot of many other things which we need to understand from intraday trading that will come more by practicing in the live market. So see you soon in my another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.